Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the screen size in any game or app on your phone, even if it doesn't support it. As you can see, in this game, the content is displayed vertically, and I'm here to show you how to change the game's content to a horizontal display for a better gaming experience. First, open Google Play. Then type rotation control in the search bar. And scroll down and click on this app. And then click on install. Wait a bit until it finishes downloading. Done. And then click on open. Click on display over other apps. Scroll down until you find the app rotation control. Click on it and then click on allow display over other apps. And click on usage access. Scroll down until you find the app rotation control. Click on it and then click on permit usage access. Click on I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all, and then click on OK. And then click on modify system settings. Click on allow modifying system settings. Click on notifications and then click on allow. And now let's try it. Open the game or app for which you want to change the display size. Pull down the screen's notification bar and choose the display mode you want. And it's done successfully, as you can see. Now you can change the screen size whenever you want and enjoy a full screen gaming experience. Thanks for watching, tech enthusiasts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech tricks. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments below and let's keep leveling up our tech game together. Catch you in the next video.